Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix maximum number of attempts reached try again later issue on TikTok. So guys, if you are trying to log in your TikTok account or you are trying to recover your TikTok account but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you recover or log in your account very easily. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and now scroll it below and tap on TikTok and offload your TikTok app for one time. And after this you have to open your app store and search here for TikTok, and now download and install the latest version of TikTok app in your device. And after this you have to simply open settings in your device again, and you have to open the general section again, and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time, then go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. And after this go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and reset the network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.